Okay, so we're gonna make the focaccia. It's very, very simple. You're gonna do 14 ounces, which is about 2 cups, I think, on a good day. 2 to 3 cups.
See, this is where you get me when you weigh it. I
So
prefer
we need to buy
measuring.
a scale for this kind of thing.
Yeah.
Scale is $20. It's the easiest thing.
Okay, I have a scale.
I
And
know.
sometimes
I never use it.
I have a question for you. You know
Yes.
how people, they weigh out the cups and stuff and make it absolutely perfect? Does it have to be absolutely perfect? If it's, I take it and I just kind of go like this with my hand. Is that enough?
for bread, the flour, you cannot be perfect. The salt, you have to be perfect.
Okay.
And that is a good rule for a lot of things. Baking powder, baking soda, salt, cream of tartar, cocoa, sugar, all those things have to be sort of perfect because that quantity determines the right chemical reactions in the recipe. So you don't want to start, you can always change amounts like cinnamon, nutmeg, even vanilla, but those proportions of those key ingredients have to be perfect.
Like me and the eggs, right? If it says
Like you and the eggs, you get adventurous.
So, but flour, if you're off by a couple, whatever, it's not bad. But it's the other things that you add to it.
Yes, but if you can be precise, it will pay off,
Okay.
So,
what about sifting?
why not sifting with
No,
bread?
is sifting it a big deal? Once you've measured it, do you usually sift or do you not sift?
If I'm making cakes.
Cakes.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
So, but just for regular bread, now, some people insist you have to sift 1, 2, 3 times every time.
Yeah, it depends on the kind of bread. If you're trying to make like an angel food cake where you're going for a very, very nice airy bread, you sift it.
And you should sift before you wait or after you wait.
Depends on the
After.
recipe, and you should really follow the recipe on that. Okay, so I'm using lukewarm water, and are you all moms?
Yes.
Moms know what that means very well. I find. So I have lukewarm warm water, and we should start using this bad boy at this point because we want things to happen quick around here. And I'm gonna do 1 1/4 teaspoon. So this is a recipe that we will finish today. So obviously we're using a teaspoon, right? We're going for it, and 1/4. We're not shy with the yeast at this point. And what I'm doing here is called proofing the yeast or dissolving the yeast. And what you do is you rain it on the top, right, of the warm water. You give it a little stir.
Now, a lot of the recipes ask for a little sugar in it.
Yeah, because yeast feeds on